I got our Mem Mixer. Hags has the Chargers, Rangers, Magic, and Titans. Kyle has the Saints, Orioles, Lakers, Niners. Sindel has the Chiefs, Royals, Suns. Jeremy has the Steelers, Rays, Bulls, Redskins, Reds, and Pacers. Artemis has the Browns, Indians, and Bucks. Josh has the Bucks, Pirates, and Warriors. Jimmy has the Seahawks, Yankees, Knicks. Asbury has the Raiders, Twins, and Cavs. Taylor has the Finns, Giants, and Grizzlies. John has the Bears, Dodgers, and Blazers. Joe has the Falcons, Red Sox, Sixers, Bengals, Cardinals, and Heat. Brandon has the Rams, Padres, Raptors. Kevin has the Lions, Mets, and Spurs. Creighton has the Giants, Athletics, Clippers. Mackenzie has the Cowboys, Phillies, Rockets. Maxwell has the Panthers, Brewers, and Nets. Cardinals, Blue Jays, and Pistons. Ryan has the Pats, D-backs, and Mavs. Mackenzie has the Bills, Nats, and Wizards. Brandon has the Colts, Angels, and Pelicans. Nur has the Jets, Marlins, and Kings. Leviticus has the Ravens, Braves, and Thunder. Jason has the Vikings, Rockies, T-Wolves. Justin has the Eagles, Mariners, Hornets. Wesley has the Broncos, White Sox, and Nuggets. Tom has the Packers, Astros, and Jazz. Sindel has the Texans, Tigers, and Celtics. And Justin has the Jags, Cubs, and Hawks. Yeah, that would definitely be dope, Zane. That would be dope. Alrighty, we're going to start with our 16 by 20s because they're probably the most main thing to open. Alrighty. Let's see from the top. Let's see what we got. These are our 16 by 20 football editions. Let's see from the top again. On the top camera. Alrighty, let's see who we got. How about a little Mason Rudolph? Going to the Steelers. And Jeremy with the Steelers. There you go, Jeremy. Little Mason Rudolph. That is probably JSA. JSA, sir. Congrats on that, Jeremy. Tag that up. Helmet down. Helmet down. They just want me broke. Alright, we got our Gold Rush Autograph 16 by 20 Football Edition Box 2. And you'll see it up on the top. See it up on the top. So Gold Rush is based in Pittsburgh, so a lot of their product is Pittsburgh heavy. So that is why they are. Pittsburgh always seems to be pretty heavy and stuff like this. Alrighty. Going out to Wesley and the Broncos. How about a Jerry Jeudy? Inscribed number 4. That's sick. You can see it up on the top camera a little better. Not too soon. And that is a Beckett COA. Congrats on that. That is Wesley with the Broncos. Nice way to start it. 2 nice pictures. Yeah. Tag that up, Wesley. And then we got our number 3. So we have one more 16 by 20, and then we'll go ahead and get into the well, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let's go, Patty. CMC, a little CMC we do. Alrighty, we got our third John. Oh, sick. How about DeMarcus Ware, number 94, Super Bowl 50 champ? That's sick. Picture Cam on the ground. See it better up on the top. DeMarcus Ware. That's a Beckett cert. That's going to the Broncos again and Wesley. There you go, Wesley. Beckett COA. Sick DeMarcus Ware, dude. He was one of my favorites when he was in Dallas. I loved DeMarcus Ware. That's a great picture, dude. How about Cam the Panther spot? Yeah, that was in the Super Bowl. Yep, you got the Super Bowl 50 patch on D-Wares. Yep, that was in the Super Bowl. That's pretty dope. That was a picture from Super Bowl 50. So 2 Broncos, 3 pictures. Crazy. Alright, let's do our baseball jerseys next. We got 30 out of 100. Oh, bang! Let's go! Let's go! Baby, let's go. Who has them? Who has them? We're going to take this one out. This had to have been the main, if not one of the mains. Had to have been, yeah. It was definitely one of the mains, if not the main. How about a Ronald Acuna Jr.? Sabaneros, and that is an authentic jersey itself. Costs 125, not autoed. This is a majestic. I actually think they're signing less, Andrew. That's why a lot of stuff's gonna be redemptions. Ronald Acuna Jr. That's gonna go out to the Braves, and Leviticus with the Braves. There you go, Leviticus. Sick Acuna. That is sick, dude. Congratulations on that. This jersey is pretty. Yeah, that's why a lot of stuff is redemptions, and you're starting to see a lot more redemptions in stuff. And I mean, I don't know, I could be wrong, but sick hit, Leviticus. And we got number 90 out of 100. The hit parade sure hit. Alrighty, we got going out to the Mets and Kevin. How about a Asdrubal Cabrera? And that is a authentic as well. It's a cool base. Or majestic, excuse me. That's a majestic, not a cool base. Which probably is a cool base. I don't know. It's just majestic. Same thing. But it is a majestic. Asdrubal Cabrera. So 2 authentics. He's had. Yeah, back-to-back 13s. That is, yeah. I think there was a picture. No, it's just the what's it called? I forget the name. That's going out to the Mets and Kevin. There you go, Kevin. Alrighty, we're gonna do our basketball jersey next. This is 28 out of 100. Hip ratio hit. Alright, I believe this is the Nets. I do want to make sure though. Yep, the Nets. Where's the Nets? Maxwell with the Nets. How about a little Jarrett Allen? This PSA COA. Little Jarrett Allen. And that is an authentic. A Nike. Congrats on that, Maxwell. Jarrett Allen, Nike. So 3 authentics in a row. That's sick. It's been a sick little mixer so far. All right, now we got our Gold Rush jerseys. JSA Sir, how about a Leonard Fournette going to the Jaguars? That's his LSU jersey. And the Jaguars is Justin with the Jags. There you go, Justin. A little Leonard Fournette. We got jersey number 2 of the Gold Rush football jerseys. Oh, sick. How about a little DeMarcus Ware as a Broncos jersey? And let's see, I don't think he played at Boise State. I could be wrong, though. That could be a Boise State jersey, but again, I don't think he played at Boise State. I think it's the Broncos throwback. Let me just double check that. He played at Troy. I don't think that's a Troy jersey. I think that's a Broncos jersey. Let's see. I'm not too familiar with Troy. No. They were red. Yeah. Alright, so that's Broncos. He didn't play at Boise State, Jeff. He played at Troy. He played with the Troy Trojans. And those were his jerseys right there, the red jerseys. Played with the Troy Trojans. So that is the Broncos. I'll take it out just to Geez, so you got the jersey and the photo to go with it. Yeah, this is sick. This is a Broncos jersey. It doesn't have a team, but it is a Broncos jersey. Because it's not a Cowboys jersey, and it's not a Troy Trojans jersey. So, I'm just going to go ahead and go out to the Broncos and Wesley. That is player cert and GTSM, JSA. There's paper cert as well. So, congrats on that. Wesley's killing it with these Broncos, dude. And jersey number 3. Then we just have our basketball and our full size left. And our basketball and our full size. We'll probably do the full size next. Then the basketball. Obviously, if we do hit, I believe Trevor Lawrence was one of the the main headliner of the Fool's Odds. If we do that, then it'll be random off to everybody. All right, we got JSA cert. How about a Jim Plunkett Super Bowl? What is that? 15 MVP. Jim Plunkett. That is Jim Plunkett cert and JSA cert. Well, that's gonna go ahead and go out to the Raiders. And it was the Raiders. John with the Raiders. There you go, John. Nice little Jim Plunkett. Yeah, D-Law and Van Der Esch were Boise State. D. Ware was Troy. Yeah. I'm going to do the football helmet next because I think an MJ or a Kobe or something like that would top anything we can pull out of here. That's just my personal opinion. All right, so we got it. It is College Football Edition, 15 out of 100. College Football helmet number 2. Good luck, guys. Comes Kyler. That's two. Oh man. Alright. I think we are one and done with our college series. I think we are one and done with our college series. He's still a current player, so this is gonna go out to his current team. Any guesses, guys? Any guesses? How about a AJ McCarron, 2011 BCS MVP? He is currently on the Houston Texans. He played for the Bengals from 14 to 17. The Bills, he was practice squad in 2018. Then he signed with the Raiders in 2018. He's currently with the Texans. He's been with the Texans since 2019. So that's going to go ahead and go out to the Texans and Sindel. AJ McCarron. We did just pull an AJ McCarron. Yes. We did. 2011 BCS MVP. Oh, AJ McCarron. The last one we pulled was a dude who, I think he started like one game or something. Like he never made it. He was drafted. I don't think he was drafted. He played like with Canadian football teams. He's a good dude. Nah, I'm not doing this break naked. Nah, that's weird. I'm not doing the break naked. But I did that. Tank that one. So that's it. Yeah, that's the college series, John. There. That's why I'm not huge on the college series. Yeah, I have like a loose tank top on, so. It's just comfortable clothes. AJ, one of the best. Hey, in college he was, man. In college he was. $5 helmet with an $8 sale. It's for tens of dollars. Nah, to an Alabama fan, bro. You'll get a decent amount for it. But to an Alabama fan. We got Gold Rush autograph basketball. All right. You're good, champ. Nah, we were swimming today, all that, so. Loose the tire. Cash the tire. Any guesses on who the basketball is? Let's see if we can get any guesses. I mean, Justin, you're not necessarily wrong. We got a Fanatics. You're not necessarily wrong. Who has them? Who has them? How about a little Hakeem Olajuwon going out to the Rockets? And McKenzie with the Rockets. It is Olajuwon. Hakeem Olajuwon. Congrats on that, McKenzie. Kyrie, but it's Hakeem Olajuwon. There we go. Congrats on that, McKenzie. And that was our 4th of July mem mixer. That was our 4th of July mem mixer, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload this, and we got we got Supreme Hardcore up next actually.